about money together. People use money to buy things like food, clothes, and shelter. People buy things with credit cards, debit cards, checks, and coins or bills. Let's learn the names and values of the coins and bills we use. A penny is worth 1 cent. President Abraham Lincoln is on the front of the penny. A nickel is worth 5 cents. President Thomas Jefferson is on the front of the nickel. A dime is worth 10 cents. President Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front of the dime. A quarter is worth 25 cents. President George Washington is on the front of the quarter. A $1 bill is worth $1. President George Washington is on the front of the $1 bill. A $5 bill is worth $5. President Abraham Lincoln is on the front of the $5 bill. A $10 bill is worth $10. Treasury Secretary Alexander Hamilton is on the front of the $10 bill. A $20 bill is worth $20. President Andrew Jackson is on the front of the $20 bill. A $50 bill is worth $50. President Ulysses S. Grant is on the front of the $50 bill. A $100 bill is worth $100. United States founding father Benjamin Franklin is on the front of the $100 bill. Great job!
Yes, welcome back. How are you? I hope that you can know what's the difference between them now. They have different numbers, they have different characters on them, or president for the United States of America. I hope that you're gonna know the names of them also. Okay, let's go to our lesson now. Or let's see how can we use it. Okay, how can we use that bills. Okay, so we called this is the $1 bill. Okay, it have number 1, and we said it's have what George Washington president. Okay, 5, 10, 20, and 50. Finally 100. Okay, let's go to see our practice. First one, we need to know the total amount with us. So 50 plus 20, yes, excellent, 70, and plus 1, so it's 71. Let's see, yes, excellent, $71. And for the next, 100 plus 10 plus 5, it's 115, excellent, very good, so $115. What's the next? 20 plus 20, yes, 40, plus 10, 50. Now, plus 5, it's 55, plus 2, excellent, $57. Be careful, we said dollars now. Before, we took the coins and always said 57 cents, 54 cents, 32 cents. Now we said dollars, okay, because we count bills. Now, a Connor buys a baseball glove. He buys with a $100 bill and receives $43. So he gave the man 100, okay, $100, and he received 43 and change. How much does the baseball glove cost? Excellent. Yes, the answer is here, 57. But how can we find that it's 57? Sorry. Okay, we're gonna say 100 minus 43. It will be 57. Excellent. Okay, now for the right about it. How do you find the total amount of a group of bills? If I have different bills or different paper of money, how can I find the total of them like we did before? Okay, that's nice idea. So first we're gonna arrange them from the greatest to here. You're the answer. Okay, from the greatest to the least value. Okay, from the greatest to the least value. Okay, what the meaning of greatest? Yes, the biggest thing or the biggest number or the highest one to the least value. So for the smallest one, then add the value of the bills to find the total. Okay, now for more practice, find the total amount. Let's see. Yes, 20 plus 10 plus 10. Yes, we're gonna say it. Excellent. 40. 40 plus 5, 45. Another 5, it's 50. And finally 1. So all of them gonna be $51. Very good. Okay, time for the homework now. Compare the total amounts of the two groups of bills. Circle the group with greater amount. So for the first group, we have 3 fives or 3 bills from the value of 5. So 15 plus 1 equals 16. Let's go to the next group. 20 plus 10, it's 30. 30 plus 5, 35, and plus 1, it's 36. So, sorry, 36, yes. So this group is greater. Let's go to question number 2. Show the amount in 2 different ways. Like before, he just gave me the paper of the money and I'm gonna use how many of each one to make 207. So I can make it with a different ways. He just asked me about 2 different ways here. So the first one gonna be 200 zeros from all these 50 and 20 and 10, and 1 5 also $2. So gonna be 205, 205, and another $2. So gonna be 207. For the next one, I'm gonna take 1 from the 100, so it's gonna 100, and 2 from the 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. 100 plus 100 is gonna be 200 now. So 0, 0, 0, and $7. Okay, let's go next. Now for the problem solving. Lucas wants to buy a watch for $73. He has $54. How much more? How much more money does Lucas need to buy the watch? So the money with him is not enough because it's $54 and he needs $73 to buy the watch. So the money with him, we said it's not enough. So Lucas needs how many more? Yes, excellent. 19 more to buy the watch. Okay, let's go to write about it question. Jacob buys a toy for $16. He pays with 1 10 bill and 2 5 bills. Again, 1 10 bill and 2 5 bills. That's meaning what? So 1 paper from 10, so 1 10 and 2 5 bills meaning 2 fives. So the total that he pays, yes, excellent, is 20. So he pays $20. The cashier gives him 14 and change. Explain what the cashier did wrong. So he gives the cashier 20 $20 and the toy is for 16. Then the cashier gives him $14. Wow, it's too much money. Let's see what's the wrong. Excellent. 20 minus 16 equals just 4. The cashier gives him 10 too much or 10 more. So this is our lesson today. I hope that you can understand it. If you have any question, I'm gonna wait for your answers, your different ways to find the numbers also. Bye and see you in another video.